to the Sand Serpent. Watch your step as you enter the car. Once seated, pull the lap bar down to your waist. Secure all loose articles such as hats and glasses.
There you go.
Now sit back and enjoy your ride on the Sand Serpent.
It's kind of tiny.
Bienvenidos a Sand Serpent. Preste atención a la entrada al coche.
Yeah, we're going to get beaten up a little.
Baje la barra de vuelta a su cintura. Proteja a todos los artículos sueltos con sombreros y gafas. Ahora siéntese y disfrute de su recorrido en el Sand Serpent.
This ride lies very neat. Create forces and speed both shall accept your
No problem.
That jerk just took me back to the lab.
Yeah, there's a small one at least.
Yeah, Lord, I'll tell you, I can see still like that in this. Straight up.
Here we go. It's gonna jerk you around a bit. It's a little close.
Oh, shit. Whoa! Whoa! Underestimate this one, motherfucker. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Oh, shit. Whoa!
It's so steep. Oh, long as it's back to Oh!
What is motherfucker cutting him, baby? Oh! Oh! This motherfucker.
Alright, you're gonna put
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Okay, it beats you up a little.
I thought I was coming up out this motherfucker, man.
Oh, you thought it was a kiddie ride?
Man. Listen, I started off like this, like, I'm just breeze right through this.
No, he just wants probably Eric Grover over there in the Sesame Place.
Man.
The other one's all pretty crazy.
Oh,
As your
man.
car comes to a complete stop, gather all personal belongings. Watch your step as you exit to the right and down the ramp. Thank you, and enjoy your day at Busch Gardens.
En lo que su carro llega a un paro total, reúna todos sus
Almost
pertenencias
like parallel
personales.
screen. You got
Vea
the
a
ghost
su
coming
paso
out.
cuando vaya a salir a la derecha por la rampa. Muchas gracias y disfruten su día en Busch Gardens.
You good to go again? All right.
Watch your step as you